is the blousers. Gas air system, electricity control box. So the two temperature, one inside and second one is outside. This one is the furnace inside temperature and this is the outside. This is the blouser. And the combustible gas burner here. See, this orange line, the water feeding is going from here to this section from here. And this line is going up to the top purifier system. And they're coming from the water from here. See, our charcoal is coming out right now. You get a very good quality charcoal. This is the charcoal cooling part. See, it's the pressure from here. The motor, the chains, and the charcoal. Okay. This pipe is the water coming out. It's out. Okay, the water goes. Water go from here on to the tap. It's collecting from here.